Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable report print in the fax settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here, let's go over to the function settings and go to receive and forward. Here we need to click on the common settings and set iFax and fax inbox. Let's click on memory lock settings, and here we will be able to enable or disable our report print. It's literally at the bottom. Now here we can disable it, click on apply, and now this setting will be applied. As you guys can see, now it's off, and now we can enable it just like that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.